right, here we go. We got the broccoli and cauliflower patch, and I'm harvesting the broccoli. Hello.
Oh. Oh.
Look at that. Z, grab
That's
onto
good.
that. That's one. That's two.
Nice.
That's nice, isn't it?
That's nice.
Yeah, that's how it should be. Hello. And this one. Hello.
Hey.
Now, I'm also going to harvest a couple of cauliflowers. These have started to come apart here a little bit, so I'm going to cut it. Take it. And this one back here.
Little tiny cauliflower.
Yep. Well, they're organic, so they're, not quite as steroidal. All right, now come over here, because I'm also going to take a little bok choy right here.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Yes.
One. We're going to do sort of all the bok choy because
Oh, yeah.
it's the end of their season.
It looks so good.
It's like baby bok choy.
Ooh, nice. Oh, baby box.
Yeah, okay.
Baby box.
Some kale.
Kale,
Kale.
kale.
I'm gonna do a bunch.
Don't you just cut
Hack
off the
it
leaves?
off.
Nope, not this time, because it's practically the middle of December. And this stuff isn't gonna last.
And by the
through
middle of
first-
December, I mean the beginning of December.
It's not gonna last through the first
Yeah.
real freeze.
I guess just rule of thumb is it's bitter in the spring and it's sweet in the fall. Sucks because otherwise spring is like a really sweet season.
Sure, because they have to push up through the earth.
Well,
They have
winter
to
is a
be-
lot of stuff just hibernating.
Okay, Nati, can you grab the bok choy?
Yes.
There we go. Good. Let's go in.
Nice. Got it all in one hand.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Woo!
Give one final look at the garden.
How cool is this? Ooh.
Yeah, we're gonna harvest a little ginger.
Ginger. We could put this on your YouTube channel, Alan.
Look at that. Boom, baby.
That's
Look at
good. All right, gotta get on the bok choy. Dang it, I got it like so well the first time.
Yeah.